Dad was camping in the forest with his son. When he reached out to wake his son up, his hand didn't touch a kid. It touched a small baby bear. The soft, furry hair shocked Dad. He quickly grabbed his son and planned to run away, but when he looked up, he saw the mother bear a little far away, looking for her baby. If she thought they were stealing her baby, they would be in big danger. Without wasting a second, Dad gently pushed the baby bear to the side, grabbed their things, and ran with his son. The mother bear was about to chase them. Dad quickly jumped into the car, started the engine, and drove away fast. But he didn't notice something. The baby bear was still inside the car. The mother bear stood there, confused, watching the car drive away. A little farther ahead, Dad saw an American Army checkpoint. He panicked. He covered his son with a white blanket so they wouldn't see him. But the soldiers noticed the baby bear sitting inside the car. They suspected something. One soldier pulled off the blanket and found the wanted boy they had been searching for. Dad pressed the gas pedal hard and broke through the checkpoint. The soldiers followed on motorcycles. As they got close, Dad handed the steering wheel to his son and turned around. He grabbed the car's spare tire and threw it hard. The soldiers fell one by one. At last, they escaped. Then they returned the baby bear safely to its mother.